Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all. And today, man, we got a pretty interesting shoe. We have the Crayon Purple or the Canyon Purple. I think it's Canyon Purple Jordan 4. This is a shoe that is set to release this December. I believe it's December 3rd is the release date. And this is interesting. Very, very interesting choice for a Jordan 4. And actually just an interesting choice for a Jordan silhouette. This is a nice looking shoe. I don't really know how I feel about the Barney vibes. This kind of reminds me of Barney. Y'all remember Barney from back in the day? This kind of reminds me of like a Barney type of colorway, but not as deep as a purple, but it's still super cool. Very nice materials on this joint, and we're gonna break that down here momentarily. Before I get started breaking the shoe down, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the channel, about my reviews. Maybe there's some things that you guys want to see coming up that I haven't reviewed yet and you want me to review it. So hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. You might see some things that I post that I may not have reviewed yet, some things that I may be reviewing coming up. So go ahead and check that out as well. And follow us down in that Discord. The Discord link is in the description. We have a really good community. We try to help each other find kicks, we're the cops and all of that other stuff, whether it be Foot Locker, Foot Action, any other means. You know, we try to make sure we find kicks and we help each other locate those shoes that we always wanted. All right, so follow us in that Discord. The link is in the description. Now, Jordan 4, I think it's Canyon Purple. Definitely interesting. I don't know how much I like it, but I do love the Jordan 4, and I just thought it was really interesting to get. A lot of people are talking about poor man's Travis Scott, friends and family, and all of that. I don't think so. I think this is nice. It's just different, and sometimes it's really good to have something that's just different. We get the same stuff all the time. Another Jordan 4, another silhouette. Maybe we like it, maybe we don't. But this at least is something that I think a lot of people can rock with. Now, I think this is a women's pair, so this will be a women's release, and I believe there will be some extended sizing. So let's break down the materials of the shoe. I don't want to bore you guys with the semantics. Let's just jump right into it. The upper is an all purple upper. It really kind of looks like a light lavender, and really what stands out with this shoe the most is this long hair suede. This suede is crazy. You got a really, really nice plush long haired suede, and you guys can see me moving that back and forth. It's some nice suede vibes on here. Now, here's the issue. When this gets wet, it's gonna stick, it's gonna look nasty. So you're gonna wanna get a brush so you can brush this out after it gets wet, because after it dries, it's not going to look good once this gets wet. So make sure you guys put some type of suede protector on the shoe just to protect the suede from water or dampness or something like that. But a very, very nice textile of suede on the upper. I can't complain about that. Very good materials here. You know, they're doing us right. You know what I'm saying? They're doing us right by giving us some really, really solid materials. We have this nice green here. Now, I don't know what type of green this is, but it's a really light green, and I think it's cool. It kind of offsets that purple a little bit. Kind of gives us a little something. I think they call it alligator green or something like that, but it's cool. It's got some speckles in there, so you guys can see the speckle shapes in there. That's pretty cool. Going to the other eyelet as well. I like the black wing right here, which looks pretty good. Got that black underneath the cage right there, which looks pretty good. Nothing wrong with that there. On the midsole, we have black, and then we have more of that like alligator green. So that's pretty cool. We have it here going down to the back of the shoe as well on the midsole, so not bad. We got a white strip in between that to break that up. Heel of the shoe, I like how they kept it really simple. They just left a jump man, they left the whole tab black. I think that's cool. I like how they didn't spice it up and go too crazy with the back tab, because the back tab kind of makes the shoe a little bit. You know what I mean? It kind of makes the shoe. If this was orange or something like that, it'd have been trash. But I like this, and I like that they just left it black, left it basic. So pretty cool. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe, so nothing bad there. It does look pretty good. Outsole of the sneaker is white with that black and that green. Now this is really nice, and looking at it from this angle, it's kind of like an olive green. So I can go with that olive being a color. I think they called it like an alligator, but I'll go with the olive with that orange. That orange, that little hit, it pops really, really nice. So very, very nice there. Shoelaces of the shoe is that lavender style, that purple color, which looks okay, not bad there. Now, I think this is supposed to come with an extra set of laces. I believe I seen another reviewer and the laces were black. So black laces, yes, are supposed to come with these, which would probably look pretty cool in these. I don't see that being bad look. Moving up to the tongue of the shoe. The tongue of the shoe is nice. Got that black tab with that nice orange there. Not bad at all. This is a good look. This is a good look. I like that with the orange. It's kind of Halloween-ish, the shoe. Tongue of the shoe on the inside is orange, and I do like that. It's definitely different. You know, that orange hit, it's kind of a different material. I don't want to say it's satin because it's not satin, but it's like a nylon material almost on the inside, so something a little different. Ankle collar of the shoe is that same kind of nylon material, but it is that purple canyon color, so that's very nice. We get a standard shoe tree with these joints, so nothing special there. Insole of the sneaker looks pretty good, but it's not the Dream Cell stuff. This is more like a foam, like a thicker foam piece. I don't know why it's not Dream Cell, because they've been putting Dream Cell in everything, but pretty cool, I guess. You know what I mean? They just threw this in there. It should be a little bit of comfort, but nothing crazy. So overall, the shoe is okay. Definitely a nice pair for the ladies. Maybe for the Halloween style is pretty cool. I can see a lot of people wearing these. If it's a GR, a lot of kids might have this. This is kind of like on the borderline of a kid sneaker, but it's definitely cool. You know, nice little colorway. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 7 for the colorway. I'm not really impressed with it. I do like the materials though. So if I had to go on a scale of 1 to 10 for the materials, I'll definitely give it like an 8.5. I like that suede. The long hair suede is really, really premium. So definitely a go for anybody who's interested in getting this type of sneaker. So that's all I got for this review, y'all. Hope you guys hit on these. If you get it from StockX, Go, or any other means, you guys hit me down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about the sneaker. Until we see you on the next review, you guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed. Peace.